Should you crack your own neck? Okay, I'm going to be honest with you instead of just scary. If you stretch and your back pops on its own, that's fine. Happens to all of us. What I gently steer you away from is the grab your chin and crank move, especially on the neck, over and over, chasing that relief. Here's what no one mentions. If you have to keep cracking the same spot all day, it usually means something next to it isn't moving like it should. So the stuck joint stays stuck and the loose one keeps popping. The pop feels like a fix, but most of the time, it's just a snooze button. You can schedule a free face-to-face consultation with me. No pressure, just answers. Click the link in my bio.